What's up, beautiful people, and Michelae here, and as you already can tell, I'm gonna cut my hair today. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you will be notified of future uploads. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like, and girl, this is not heat damage. This is wear and tear and straight up neglect. I've been noticing that my split ends have been traveling up the shaft of my hair for a while now, and I've been putting off this cut because I didn't want to mess it up. But I really want to get rid of these crappy ends and start fresh.
Look at it, it's shiny, it's straight, it's soft. I didn't go crazy on my front, but the texture of my hair is nice. My hair doesn't have any layers, so it's gonna fall heavy. Let me turn the fan off. This is my hair blown out and flat iron. My ends are awful. And I don't know, yo. I just know my ends are damaged and I want to get rid of them and I want to cut them, and I'm in a space where I'm ready to cut them and start anew, but I don't want to layer my hair. I want it to just stay all one length still and go from there. But yeah, I was looking at it and the ends are damaged, so I'm gonna cut. How much you say? I don't know. About here is where I feel like I will get rid of the shitty ends. This doesn't look like it's damaged, but it is. I cut my hair like 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna cut it again. Look at the back. Like the front is fine. Well, technically not fine. But them, yeah, look. First. Yep.
Don't cut them from the front. Cut them. Start from the back.
But they are.
If you do that, then it's gonna make it uneven.
Right, because you be listening to Brad Mondo.
Yes, I do. And we do not want that to happen.
But technically.
Can I cut it? I'll literally. No, don't.
But it's gonna go anyways.
I don't care.
Right?
Are you trying to make it uneven so you have to cut more?
No, but we already lined it up with the rubber band.
Doesn't matter. If it's in the front, it's gonna make it
Okay. It's in the back.
Oh no, that's uneven.
It is a little bit uneven.
It's, you don't listen to.
I'm so happy. Alright, let's do the.
Yo, if you take that out and it's uneven, I swear to God.
It's going though.
Stop. Oh, not the sound. I'm so annoyed with you.
I'm just so happy. Oh my word, this is like.
Oh, that's uneven.
It's fine. I don't need it to be perfect. I need it to be healthy. No. Moment of truth.
If it's like this, Mom. Da.
Oh! It's messed up. It's messed up. Jevin, is it bad?
Show Anthony. Just go show
Oh God,
Anthony.
is it really bad?
Go show Anthony.
Is it really bad?
Go show Anthony.
Jesus Christ, is it really bad?
Go show Anthony. Maybe just some piece.
No, seriously, is it really bad?
Oh.
Oh my God. I'm not joking. Are you telling yes or no?
Hold on, wait, put it down. Let me see.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Bro. It's bad? Well, that kind of looks better. Maybe I did it before. I think when you brush through, you don't really notice it that much.
Oh, magic.
What do you think? Looks good. I'm happy. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I don't want to cut no more.
I'll cut next time.
Here's what I'm gonna figure out now. Thank you. You're welcome. It's still long, but I cut it. In it. There's a little wave in it. Ah! Hey Google! Oh, I just gotta like style it tomorrow. I like this. Oh my god, it looks so full. And it's not even perfect. I need to get a curling iron. My curling iron kaput years ago. It didn't matter because I don't curl my hair, but this looks great. If I had layers, brother. I'm gonna get a curling iron. I'm gonna get like a thermal hold spray. Sorry. So I could actually wear my hair curled and like this. Is it a long bob? This is not a long bob. All right, so this is where we're sitting in terms of length. She's pretty. She's full. Ends are gone. It's probably not perfect back there, but who cares? America here. Oh, I'm so happy. But this is how it's looking. It's really nice. Real nice. I gotta go to work. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, I love it so much. Ah,
Go show Auntie.
I love it so much. Okay, I'm coming off.